It's not about the pen, it's about the artist. It's about creativity. Don't let your drawing utensil hold you back. I used to think that I had to have expensive pens and everything to be able to draw anything that was any good. But it's more about practicing, and practicing a lot, for many hours, over many years. Some people get better at different rates, and some people get better within a few weeks or a few months, whereas for some other people it might take a long time, maybe even years. And it took me years to improve to a point to where I felt comfortable as an artist to really show my work. And at this point I feel I'm getting a lot better, and I'm going back to my roots where I'm just using cheaper drawing utensils like the pen that I have here. And the reason that I'm using this is because I wanted to show everyone that you don't have to have a lot of money and everything to be able to draw anything that's detailed and very good. And I just have your standard ballpoint pen. It's a big pen, and it's the fine size. I'm using a cardstock paper for this, and it's a smooth paper, and it's 90-pound weight, and I had fun doing it. It was my usual abstract stuff, really strange and not really sure what it is. I mean, in this drawing, to me, it looks like there's a sun, like there's some vortex, there's vines or something like that. A lot of what goes through my mind while I'm drawing is just complete randomness. I mean, some days while I'm drawing I might be thinking about some things I've got to do the next day, any things I've got to pay, or cleaning I've got to get done, or anything like that. It varies, but most of the time I don't really have much of anything on my mind unless I choose to think of something. It's more of a automatic type of thing for me, to where when I'm drawing I zone out and I don't really think much of anything unless I choose to. And usually I'll sit here when I'm thinking about things while I'm drawing, and it'll be about the positive things that are going to happen in the future that I think that can happen or will happen. And I also think about the things that have happened in my life, and all the things I've had to overcome to get where I'm at. And to not let anything that's happened yesterday slow me down and prevent me from pursuing something for tomorrow. And we get caught up in these ideas of what we should be as a person, and the standard of what it means to be a good artist or a good person in general. But many people are so different in many ways that the idea that a lot of society has for what someone is or what makes a good artist it's always changing. So don't feel that you have to be a certain type of person to be good or to be a good artist. Just keep doing what you enjoy, and as long as you're enjoying it, and it's something that helps you get stress off your mind, it helps you overcome things, and you feel like it's helping you improve as a person, and that's all that really matters. And just keep doing your best at whatever it is that you're wanting to do in life. Keep pursuing it, and don't ever give up just because you don't have the money to do something. A lot of us came from a point to where we didn't have anything in life, to where we had to work really hard to get anything. And those of us that have had nothing given to us in life and we had to work for everything, we truly appreciate the small things and what we have in life. Small significance or something very important. We cherish every moment, and we go through every day not worrying about the things that we could have done or what hasn't happened. We just move forward and accept life for what we have, and to know that no matter what, as long as we're doing what we love, we'll never give up.